parents, and everybody who is involved with CFAS in one way or the other. Right, the function will begin soon. We're waiting for the guest of honor to arrive, which is going to happen very fast, but I'm going to take you through some requests and then some announcements. I'm sure all of you in the audience have your son or daughter up on stage at one point or the other, and you're all waiting to see them on stage. But can I all make a very personal request? Can you stay on and show the enthusiasm for every child who's going on stage at any point in time today, whether it's early or late? So please stay on right till the end so that you can inspire them to be achievers and go on all competitions and be successful. So please stay right till the end. Another announcement. Will you stay? I can't hear. Thank you so much. An announcement about dinner after the function. It's still very early. We've ordered dinner for everyone, so we're going to serve it in packets at the end of the function. So please do join at the dinner reception right at the end after all the items are over. Now we have loads and loads of surprises and suspense for you. When I watched the rehearsal, I was really like, I had goose pimples all over, and I just waited for this day when I can see them in their actual costumes. So don't go away even for a minute. Right, the guest of honor will be with us soon, but I'm going to make some announcements regarding handphone. These days, all of us carry handphones, but I'm sure the parents have switched them off. The kids may not have. So can you please turn off the handphone so that we don't disturb the artists on stage? And turn off anything else that you have. I'm not very good with this. Pagers, iPod, MP3, MP5, MP4, whatever it is. Can you please turn off all those things? A very, very important announcement is, I'm sure you want to photograph your kids, but can you refrain from taking photos or videos? Because we have an official photographer from CFAS, photographer and videographer from CFAS. So the photos will all be available of all the children. So please do not step forward or on the aisle or anywhere to take photos, please. We have the official photographer right here. Very, very important announcement, but I'm going to keep this a big suspense. Some of them know, some of you know. This is about the music competition organized by National Arts Council this year. It happens, of course, once in 2 years. This year we had, of course, I won't say unexpected, definitely expected. The idea here is of having 19 out of 26 awards. So we have 19 out of 26 awards, and later in the day, I mean, I can see many of them here. Did you all watch the news yesterday, Vasantham Central? No one? Yes. On the news, I saw some of them, some familiar faces, some unfamiliar faces. It might be a very good idea to make them stand up now and impromptu say how they feel, but I don't want to do it. So we're going to have them all. We're going to have them all come on stage before you. They'll be right here, so you can applaud your children, your friends, friends of your children, children of your friends, whichever way it is. So you can all see them much later. I can see many faces here. Now, in today's performance, we are going to have not only the vocal, the instrumental, but we are going to have dance items as well. We are going to have jugal bandis. The students have practiced day and night. I'm not joking. They've come very early. They've stayed on. They've been patient. And a very, very special word for the tutors who have sat there very patiently. No, go slow on this. You are hurrying too much. Don't you want your program to be a success? And then the child will go slow, one beat, and then go fast again. Can you go slow? Right? I have seen the tutors being so very patient with all these little ones and the big ones, the junior and the senior students. Well, we can't say the senior students were very sweet. They also did not turn up for the rehearsals, but the tutors never ever felt bad. They had them all in. And yesterday, everyone turned up. We had a very good rehearsal, and we hope to present before you an excellent program today, but with your cooperation. Now, you all may have the booklet, which has a specific program list, right? We may or may not follow that order. So please don't be surprised if your child's program has been pushed back or pushed forward. So that's the reason I tell you, you must not leave the auditorium now that you're in. Right, on your way in, I hope you saw the visual arts exhibition. If not, please do so when on your way out. Two specific announcements about the shows, upcoming shows in September. We have Shringara, presented by, jointly by the dance tutors and the vocal tutors, both music and dance put together. We're going to present Shringara. The details are outside. The tickets are available outside. Some of you might have picked it up already. Have you? You haven't? Your own teachers you haven't picked up? Can you please pick up? If not today, you still have chance, but ASAP, as soon as possible, because your teachers are going to be up there on stage. Not only that, we have visiting artists as well. I will be introducing them later when they come onto the stage. They're going to be joining the dance segment as well. All right, I'll tell you more about these things later. Our guest of honor is arriving now. So can you all please rise to welcome him? Can you all rise to welcome the guest of honor? All right, on the way. And can we greet him with a very loud applause, please? On the way. Audience, can you please be seated? We have with us today Minister of State, Ministry of Trade and Industry, Mr. S. Easwaran, as our guest of honor. On behalf of all of us gathered here, I would like to thank Mr. S. Easwaran for kindly accepting our invitation to the celebrations. Thank you very much, sir. At this point, when the function is about to begin, I would like to specially thank Lee Foundation for their generous donation towards today's function alone. Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society was founded in 1949 and completes 57 years of its service to Indian fine arts this year. We're also going to have some hooting and so on and so forth. The young ones? Right, thank you. During this time, the Society has fostered many homegrown talents and helped in nurturing a rapidly growing awareness of Indian cultural heritage, which is particularly valuable in our multi-ethnic Singapore. All those who are gathered here would know that CIFAS has gone a very long way to fulfill its motto. How many of us remember what the motto is? All of us do. Kala Sanskriti Lakshanam. That is, art characterizes civilization. Today's function aims to showcase the diversified talents of the students and the creative efforts of teachers of CIFAS. This evening's function will include Carnatic, Hindustani, and the Natyam segments. Before I go on to announce the theme of this year's program, I would like to invite my good friend, Shanti Murali. I've been talking about awards, I've been talking about achievement, excellence. It's all very general. So we need to be very particular. So I'm going to invite Shanti Murali to share with us what she knows about the achievement of CIFAS over the past many, many years. So can I have Shanti Murali, please? For variety's sake, we're going to have the short talk in Tamil.
மதிப்பிற்குரிய திரு ஈஸ்வரன் அவர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் இங்கு கூடியுள்ள அனைவருக்கும் முதற்கண் என் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகத்தை பற்றிய சில சுவாரஸ்யமான தகவல்களை உங்களுடன் பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள விழைகிறேன். சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகம் தொடங்கி 57 ஆண்டுகள் ஆகின்றது. இதில் சுமார் 1200க்கும் மேற்பட்ட மாணவர்கள் பயில்கிறார்கள் என்பதை நான் பெருமையுடன் கூறிக்கொள்கிறேன். இந்த 57 வருடங்களில் நல்ல வளர்ச்சியை கண்டுள்ளது என்றுதான் கூற வேண்டும். பல நிகழ்ச்சிகள், பல விழாக்கள் இங்கு நடைபெற்றுள்ளன. அவற்றுள் சிலவற்றை உங்களுக்கு நான் கூறுகிறேன். சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகத்தின் வரலாற்றில் மறக்க முடியாத நாள் என்று சொல்ல வேண்டும் என்றால் அது நம் பெரும் மதிப்பிற்குரிய இந்திய குடியரசுத் தலைவர் டாக்டர் அப்துல் கலாம் அவர்களின் வருகை என்றுதான் சொல்ல வேண்டும். அவர் இவ்வருடம் பிப்ரவரி மாதம் நம் கழகத்திற்கு வருகை தந்தார். அவருக்காக நம் மாணவர்கள் கலை நிகழ்ச்சிகளை படைத்தனர். இந்த கலை நிகழ்ச்சியானது குறுகிய காலகட்டம் என்றால் ஒரு 3-4 தினங்கள் மட்டுமே அவர்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்டது. அதில் நல்ல தரமான நிகழ்ச்சிகளை மாணவர்கள் படைத்தார்கள் என்றால் அவர்களுக்கு நாம் ஒரு பெரிய கைத்தட்டு கொடுத்துதான் ஆக வேண்டும். முழுக்க மாணவர்கள் படைப்பு. ஏனென்றால் பொதுவாக நடன நிகழ்ச்சிகளில் பக்கவாத்தியமாக வெளியிலிருந்து கலைஞர்கள் வருவார்கள் பக்கவாத்தியத்திற்கு. ஆனால் இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் நம் மாணவர்களே பக்கவாத்தியமாக அவர்களுக்கு அமைந்தார்கள் என்றால் அது நாம் பெருமைப்பட வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயம். பொதுவாக நல்ல இசை கேட்க வேண்டும் அல்லது நல்ல நடனத்தை காண வேண்டும் என்று நாம் ஆசைப்பட்டால் இந்தியாவிற்குத்தான் செல்ல வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு நிலவரம் இருந்தது என்று தான் சொல்ல வேண்டும். ஏன் இப்பொழுது சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகம் கடந்த 4 ஆண்டுகளாக இந்திய இசை மற்றும் நடன நிகழ்ச்சி விழா கொண்டாடி வருகிறது. இதன் சிறப்பு அம்சம் என்னவென்றால் பிரசித்தி பெற்ற பல இந்திய கலைஞர்கள், வட இந்திய கலைஞர்கள், தென்னிந்திய கலைஞர்கள் வந்து நமக்கு நிகழ்ச்சிகளை படைத்து கொண்டு இருக்கின்றனர். இது வெளியூர் கலைஞர்களை ஒரு பக்கம் அங்கீகரித்தாலும் உள்ளூர் கலைஞர்களுக்கு தங்கள் திறமையை காண்பிக்க ஒரு மேடையாக அமைந்து வாய்ப்பை அளித்து வருகிறது நம் கழகம். நம் கழகத்தின் மாணவர்கள் மட்டுமல்லாது இதர கழகத்தில் இருந்தும் மாணவர்கள் வந்து பங்கேற்கிறார்கள் என்றால் இது நம் கழகத்தின் பெருந்தன்மை என்று தான் நான் சொல்லுவேன். இது ஒரு புறம் இருக்க, சமீபத்தில் போன வாரம் அப்படி என்று தான் சொல்ல வேண்டும், தேசிய இந்திய இசை போட்டி 2006 நடைபெற்றது. இதில் பல கழகத்திலிருந்து மாணவிகள் பங்கேற்றனர். ஆனால் பெரும்பாலான பரிசுகளை தட்டிச் சென்றது நம் சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகம் என்பதை நான் பெருமையுடன் உங்களிடம் கூறுவேன். இவ்வாறு நல்ல தரமான நிகழ்ச்சிகளை படைப்பதற்கும் நல்ல தரமான கலையை கற்றுக்கொள்வதற்கும் நமக்கு வாய்ப்பளித்து வரும் இந்த சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகம் உங்கள் ஆதரவுடன் மேலும் வளரும் என்ற நம்பிக்கை எங்களிடம் உள்ளது. நான் கூறும் இந்த சிறிய கருத்துக்களை கேட்டு உங்களுள் பலர் நாமும் இதில் ஒரு உறுப்பினர் ஆக வேண்டும் என்ற ஆவல் எழும் என்ற நம்பிக்கை என்னிடம் உள்ளது. சிங்கப்பூர் இந்திய நுண்கலை கழகத்தை பற்றி இவ்வளவு ஆணித்தரமாக பேசும் நான் யார் என்ற ஐயம் உங்களுக்கு ஏற்படலாம். நானும் இக்கழகத்தின் மாணவியே என்று பெருமையுடன் கூறி உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you very much, Shanti. Right, we are going to move on to the program now. The theme for this year's Academic Year program is based on celebration of Navaratri. Navratri, Navratra, Navratri, it's said in various ways in the south and the north of India, celebrated differently, worshipping goddess Durga. We say goddess Durga, we say Shakti, we say Bhavani, we say Adi Parashakti. But in the south, while the focus is entirely on goddess Shakti, in the north, the focus is also on Lord Rama. The day he returned to Ayodhya after the defeat of Ravana is the Vijayadashami. The day Mahisha was killed and Mahishasura Mardhini came to protect the world is the day of Vijayadashami, according to many of the South Indian beliefs. There are many more beliefs which I'll share with you later. Here, our artists are waiting to entertain you, so we're going to begin today's program with a group song titled Mata Parashakti. By the junior students of CIFAS, the song invokes the blessings of Supreme Goddess Parashakti. The song is conducted by Srimati Geeta Sridhar, teacher at CIFAS. I think I was in a hurry to be gone after the first announcement. Can I please also include along with Mrs. Geeta Sridhar, Prashant sir and Padmalingam sir. Right, we are moving on to the next song titled Nava Rasa Ganam. This is rendered by the senior students of CIFAS who are working in now. This song is a lively medley of 9 Devi Stuti songs. The highlight of this composition is that it's a Raga Tala Malika and includes songs by different composers. The song is conducted by Shri N.R. Prashant, tutor at CIFAS. Just a very quick word about the sequence itself. The sequence begins by invoking the blessings of Lord Ganapati, the remover of obstacles, Vigna Vinayaka. Goes on to seek the blessings of Devi, the Supreme Mother, and invokes the blessings of Rama in the Pancharatna Kriti, Rama being the symbol of duty and obedience who vanquished evil and helped establish good in the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, Navarasa Ganam. Thank you, Shivraman sir, for the support to the instrumentalists. Padmalingam sir, Prashant sir, and Geeta teacher for the vocal support. We are moving on to the next item, which is the instrumental music, sitar. While they come on stage, I'll quickly take you through what's happening. Moving to sitar music, which is a very prominent stringed instrument in Hindustani music. So I'm going to attempt speaking in Hindi to introduce Hindustani music. Dosto, as this is again based on the theme of माँ दुर्गा, दोस्तों सिर्फ एक शब्द माँ हम सब के दिलों को लाख लाख सुकून पहुँचाता है। जननी या माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या कुछ नहीं कर सकती, और वो जब जगत जननी की बात हो तो पूरा विश्व उनके सामने हाथ जोड़ नतमस्तक हो जाता है। तो आइए ऐसी ही माँ जो इस जग पर अपनी कृपा दृष्टि बनाए रखती हैं, उनकी आराधना में दुर्गा भक्ति तरंगिनी सुने, जो राग दुर्गा पर आधारित है और रूपक ताल के हरवा ताल और 3 ताल में रचित है। Saying the same thing in English. Durga Bhakti Tarangini is based on Rag Durga. The melody flows from a slow tempo to a fast crescendo, traversing Rupak Tal, Keharva Tal and Teen Tal. This piece is conducted by Shri Chandranath Bhattacharya ji.
Just hogging the whole stage, you couldn't speak. वो लोग इतना इस तरफ क्यों आए?
Thank you very much for being such a good audience. You clapped really well. All right, I just need to make one little announcement. Even though I said at the beginning that you really don't need to take any photographs because we have an official photographer doing that for you. I noticed that some parents are quite eager to do so, but can you please not walk around? Because it's very disturbing to our young artists here. All right, so you don't really need to take photographs. You can later on pick up the photographs from CFAS. I'm sure the photographs will be very professional. Right, thank you very much for your cooperation. Right, we are going to move on with our function. So far, we've had a few musical segments, and I'm sure you all enjoyed it very much. The audience is still sitting strong. That's very nice. Now we are going to move on to part of the ceremony of speeches and award presentation ceremony. First and